Hi there. I'm going to show you how you can set up your Jetbackup plugin or module in cPanel VPS or dedicated server. So if you have a VPS managed hosting with us, then it is available for free along with your cPanel license, and we should be already we have already set up it for you unless you don't want to. But for this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set it up on your own, so that in case you don't want to wait and you want to set up your module or plugin the right way, then this is the video for you. Okay, so first thing you want to do is if it's your first time, it should show 0 digits here, and then you want to go to your destinations and create a destination. This it's either you want to select local or Google Drive or whatever provider you want to use. But if you have managed VPS with us, it's free. We have Google Cloud that we use, and it's unlimited. But for the sake of this video, I will use local, and let's just use this one scene, then this one, and we don't want to use unlimited so that it won't hurt your server. Maybe you can also minimum of 4 MB, but it might take time to complete the backup process, but at least it won't hurt your server, especially if you let your customers download it on their own. But with our shared hosting, we don't do that. Actually, we just let them ask us to generate a download link for them to do it. But if you don't want to have an issue in regards to support, if you don't want to manage supports like that, then you can do so. But make sure you select at least 4 MB up to 10 only. Okay, so for now we will use 10 MB. Save. Oops. Okay, so it's already, I think I already have created a local, so that's how you can do it. And now let's go to the backup jobs. We will going to create a new job which we will send out to the local destination. So this will be full daily, and then let's select local. If you have set up a Google excuse me, destination, then it will show here. But since we only have set up local, then it will only show the local. So just keep this default here. And if you want to compress, then you select compress, but it will be longer than it should. Then what I recommend, if you're using local, just use incremental. Okay, but if you're using a cloud service or cloud storage for your backup, then use archive. Okay, this will kind of hurt your server as well, and it will take longer as well. So I usually just use incremental for local destinations, and for Google Drive I use this one. So now let's set up account filter. So in in our business, we don't actually offer free backups for accounts above 5 gig, okay, because we only offer a very cheap hosting service for shared hosting, and we have managed support for it, and it will not be sustainable for us to upgrade each time our customers are um, are growing. So, and mostly shared hosting companies do this as well, so you don't have to worry if you think that your customers will go against the rules. So, we want to filter first the disk usage. So let's do this. Limit this backup to 5 gig only. So include only. So let's see here. Google.com 5 gig to MB. So this one 5120. So let's add this 5120. Okay. So this just means Jetbackup will not back up accounts that are beyond 5 gig. Okay. So that's it. So let's click on OK, and then we will also add another filter, which is for the suspension filter. Okay, so suspended accounts, we don't want to use we don't want to also back up the suspended accounts. Let me check, by the way. Wait a bit, because I forget if I have excluded this one or included. Let me check. Probably instead remove it and create a new one to make it sure. So include below. Okay, I think that's right. So let's just add it again and then make it end. Okay, so if an account is suspended, the backup that we are setting up will not execute for that account. And also, or maybe either if it's suspended or it's over 5 gig storage, then it will not be backed up for the automated backup. So for that user, they will have to probably depends upon you, depends upon your business model, but with us, we don't offer it for free. It's either they will approach us or contact us for this issue, and then we will offer them a custom service for this backup. Okay, so just really depends. Or else they will acquire an external service like cloud backup, or what do you call this, code guard. I'm not really sure, but I think that's a popular brand as well within CPAN. I mean within WHMCS services. So you can offer it to your customers as well. Okay, so directories, filters, include. So you wanna also exclude these files. Actually, Jetbackup already sent here how you can just copy this one, or maybe I think all in this. So let's just copy this instead. The number 3. Copy this, and you want to add it here. Insert and then paste it. Okay. And then now we wanna create a new schedule. Schedule will be daily, and here daily. So backup retain, we only want to retain one since we are using the local storage. But if you're using a cloud storage like what we offer, which is unlimited, then you can just maybe add 7 or maybe 30 for a 1 month retention. It's really just up to you. So schedule, make sure if you have to make sure that your clients, your target audience or clients, let's say for example, if the ratio of your overall clients, the largest clients you have is in US, then make sure you check out the time zone or set up a schedule that is nighttime for them. Okay, so that they won't have issues while using the server when it's running a scheduled backup. So for me, I will be setting it up here in the noon at noon. Okay, so limit accounts to backup. I will just set it unlimited, and then maximum execution disabled, just keep it as is. Job monitor, just disable this, because if you enable this, it will I'm not really sure why, but in my experience, it slows down my server. And post load, this one. Oh, not this, by the way, I mean this one, post job unload. So maybe you can just add this one. Notify if there were no backups for today's process. Notify if job process runs more than 2 days, more than 1 day. Okay, so this one, make sure to disable this. Data sync retries, just disable it and save. Now our backup is ready, and the next thing we want to do is to set up permissions for our resellers. So let's first check the permission of our resellers for backup. Backup permissions. Download. Let's select download here. So reseller can download full backups. Reseller can download file backups. For resellers, maybe we can let them download each backup, but the full backup no, because it will hurt our server, especially if this reseller is not a decent reseller, and of course the user as well. We want to disable the download. Download, but they can download the file backups, of course, but the full backups no, because usually they only want to download full backups unless they want to migrate the account. Okay, in cases like that, they will have to submit a ticket to you, or based on our business model, clients should always submit a ticket if they want a copy of their full backups. And since it's already generated on a daily basis, if they only want to restore it, then they can just restore it themselves, not not downloading it to migrate. But they can, of course, migrate, but at least we can avoid the abuse by using the downloading of this backup files, the full backup files, which usually would hurt your server. So let them download this one, and also let's see, restore account from full backup. No, we will restore it for them instead, in case they don't know what they're doing. It will only end up that we will have an issue in case a user don't know what they are doing. User can download account. No, so I think let's just leave it as is. And here, let's go back to our reseller permission. Download. Reseller can download. Reseller can download yet. Reseller can download directories. Okay. I think that's it for now. And then save it. Oops. Now let's go to the settings. See, kill zombie processes. Look orphans. Over down. You want to minimize the downloads here. Log history, manual, retain, ETL1. SQL help missing. Performance. And and then restore and the counts. Then let's go forward to the resources. Okay. I think we can limit this one as well. Restore. restore one for 24 hours. This is by the way, this is applicable if you are letting your users restore an account or a backup. But if you follow our own business model, which is we don't let them restore it on their own, and we also don't let them download it on their own, the full backups, I mean, then you don't have to set it up. This one, just leave it as is. Okay. Let's see. Okay. But if you want to, then you can just limit this one and this for this. Okay. In case I'll just set it up like this. In case we feel that, in case for you, if you want to let your customers restore or download. And here, this is a setting where you let your customers generate a full backup of their account, which we don't let them. So we'll just disable this. And for the notification, you can add your email here. But if you have set up your email as the contact person or contact address within this server, within your server, then it will be the default contact. So that's it, I believe. Then security, we don't really do this here. And the GDPR, you can also set this up, but I will be making a separate video in regards to this later on. Let me know if you want to know how to set this up, then we will show you later on. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.